Hey, it's Garrick. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing and installing the new retractable sunshade from EVBASE. Now, I did have the VION sunshade on, and to be honest with you, there's nothing wrong with these sunshades. I actually do like them, but there's actually some benefits to the retractable sunshades that I'll go over in a little bit. All right, let's go check this out. Let me just show you what we have here. So we do have the front and rear bars that goes into the top of the roof. We do have the sunshades here. Just to let you know, on the sunshades, as you can see here, I'm not sure you can really see it, but it is actually 2 or 3 layers in here. It is blacked out, so it will definitely block out some of the sunlight, as you can see inside here. And we also do have the liner. And then we also do have some gloves and some screws. But yeah, let's go get this installed and test this out. The bars are labeled front and back, so make it easy to see which bar you need to use. We're going to take the front bar and slide the sliders between the glass roof and the roof liner. It's really simple, and it should take no more than a minute to install the front bar. Alright, so I'm going to try to install this with my boosters in the car. I really don't want to take them in and out. But what we have here is the same thing we did in the front. We are going to slide these things in until it goes into position. Really simple. Okay, all right, let's get the sunshade in. All right, so try to put this by yourself is a little difficult. I definitely probably gonna need an extra hand, but right now I'm actually doing it by myself because my wife is in the middle of doing something, so we just got to be a little careful. On the bars we installed moments ago, on each end there's a screw you need to take out. When placing the sunshade to the front and rear bar, you are to reuse the screw to tighten the sunshade to each corner. You might need an extra hand to hold the sunshade to make this installation process a little easier. On the bottom of the sunshade bracket, there's actually Velcro throughout the whole bracket. This is actually where we're going to be attaching the liner, and on top of the liner it also has Velcro. As you can see here, there's Velcro on the top side of the headliner, and I'm wearing gloves so I don't stain or dirty the liner. Just want to make sure that stays nice and clean. But let's get this installed. Adding the liner is very easy. You will need to align the liner to the front edge and corners to the headliner. After you line it up, you can then work it to the back. Keep in mind this is held by Velcro, so you can reposition it until you get it perfect. Take your time. This is a pretty quick and easy install. It should only take about 30 minutes to complete. Be sure to have a helping hand. As you can see here, the sunshade slides smoothly when opening and closing. When the sunshade is closed, there are magnets that will hold the front and back of the sunshades together. One of the great benefits in having the EVBASE retractable sunshade, it allows you or your back passengers able to open the sunshade rather than installing and uninstalling the stationary sunshades. We also spent a decent amount of money on our Tesla, and it would be a shame not to be able to look up at the sky when we want to. Also, my kids have been complaining that they can't see out of the roof. One of the biggest benefits of having the EVBASE retractable sunshade is I'm able to connect my DJI Action 2 to the glass roof so I can record my drives in different angles when recording videos for YouTube. Now, if you're in the market for a sunshade and want something where you don't need to install and uninstall, I highly recommend this retractable sunshade from EVBASE. You can use my discount code GARRICKISH for a big discount, and I also have the link in my description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for great content on Tesla and Tesla accessories. If you have any questions or if you want me to review anything, please leave a comment below. Alright everyone, I'll catch you on the road and stay cool.